Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a black screen on your Samsung monitor. Let's get started. First, ensure the monitor is powered on and all cables are securely connected. If you are using HDMI, try a different cable or a different port on both your computer and the monitor. A faulty cable is a very common cause. Next, press the monitor's menu button to access its settings. Confirm that the input source selected matches your device connection, such as HDMI 1 or DisplayPort. If the input is incorrect, you'll just see a black screen. Outdated graphics drivers on your computer can cause display issues. Update your graphics driver to the latest version from your GPU manufacturer's website, either NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. An incompatible refresh rate may also lead to black screens. Try lowering the monitor's refresh rate through your computer's display settings in Windows or Mac OS to see if the image returns. You can also perform a factory reset via the monitor's on-screen menu to resolve any internal configuration issues that may have occurred. Finally, connect the monitor to a different computer or device, like a laptop or game console. This will help you determine if the issue lies with the monitor itself or with your original computer. Following these troubleshooting steps should help you diagnose and fix the black screen problem on your Samsung monitor.